Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to top up for the winter and summertime your nice car windshield washer fluid for your Seat Ibiza. Many drivers just grab any windshield washer fluid from the shelf. But did you know there's a big difference between summer and winter washer fluid? Summer windshield washer fluid is designed to remove insect, dust, pollen, and road grime. It contains strong cleaning agents that break down the grease and the black residue, helping us to keep a clear view while driving. Usually, it contains little to no antifreeze protection. And on the other side, we have winter wash fluid. It is made to prevent the system from freezing, and it includes an alcohol or antifreeze additive that can handle temperatures as low as minus 20 degrees Celsius or even lower. It also helps remove salt, slush, and winter dirt from our windshields. So, we're going to use summer fluid in the winter, can freeze inside the system and damage the hose of the pump. Winter fluid works in the summer, of course, but it may clean insects less effectively and can sometimes leave streaks. So, the best solution is simple. Use the summer fluid in warm months and switch to the winter washer fluid before the first frost arrives. And of course, you can use distilled water to add it to these two windshield washer fluids. Additionally, of course, let's have a look. You're standing in front of the car, and on the right side, if you're standing in front of the car, you see this blue cap. If you lift up this blue cap, you can see there is an entrance. Yeah, and this entrance we can top up and use to get the windshield washer fluid, get this into the system. So there is a protection cover on top, as you can see, which we can remove and, of course, close this or get all insect out of this maybe, and then we can ready for top up the system. There will be no scale for it that you can see how many of this washer has to be in trans. Of course, we only dip until we see foam is coming onto it. So now we are ready and can close the lid, and we are ready with that job. So take the right washer fluid and, of course, get it top up every time. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!